Leila, your turn. Say, Medea.
Me the Jaina.
What? Hold on, this have to go edit out. Hi neighbors, what's up?
Yeah.
Welcome back to another video. Are you my echo, Zara?
Yes.
You're my echo?
Yes.
Right. You're echo to Leila? Okay, welcome back to another video. Couldn't you remind me that I haven't been giving you any encouragements for a couple of videos now? So, the encouragement is from Proverbs 3 verse 5 and 6, which says, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not to your own understanding, in all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your paths. So the last couple of videos we were speaking about the cost of living, and you can look at if any mango ripe while it's listening to me, right? So we're speaking about the cost of living and how prices just gone up, gas, food and all that. But I have another interesting take on it, Have you ever thought about the cost of dying? The cost of dying without Christ? It's a big price, Dying without Christ, the Bible teaches that we'll be eternally separated from God. And you don't want that. And then to think about the cost of living eternally, it's another big price, a very big price actually. But we don't have to pay for it. It's already paid for by Jesus himself. So Jesus himself paid the price for the cost of living eternally, and it's just for us to accept it for free. Free to us, but it cost him. So that's my encouragement as well today. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not to your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your paths. And just consider this: what's the cost of dying without Christ and the cost of living eternally? Accept Jesus today. So we're going to get into the vlog now and see what the day brings. So if you hear the crying is actually Eden. They have not been well for a couple of days now. Since about Tuesday she hasn't been well, and we had to take her to the doctor. But before we get into that, if you're new to the neighborhood, you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have been here for all this time, thank you for coming again. You can join the neighborhood by hitting the subscribe button, and you can follow us on Instagram for updates between the vlogs at me and my house. So the smaller twins have not been well. Let me give you an update on that. Say hi neighbors.
Hi, neighbor.
So this is Ava. Say hi Ava. Say Ava, say hi. This is Ava.
Hi, Edie.
And this is Eden. I don't know if you can notice, but Eden has some rashes on her face. She really has been the one that is more sick. She's had a temperature on and off since Tuesday, but it has broken now. But apparently she has, okay baby, apparently she has something called roseola. They both have throat infection, but Eden also has an ear infection that's affecting her. Hush baby, hush, hush. That again to hold, So how roseola works is that it gives them a temperature, a high temperature for a couple of days, no more than 5 days, and then the temperature breaks for good, but then it throws out some rashes on their skin. So now we're seeing rashes on her face, there's some on her back, on her chest. Yes, baby. So she's expected to be better by Monday, but as a result of it as well, she has some, you see her scratching her ears? Her ears has an infection, and throat as well, I think from the roseola. So we've had some not so easy nights where she's a bit uncomfortable, but she should be out of it in a couple of days.
Biting me.
What's the biting you?
Yes.
Okay, but I sprayed you. I'm coming, okay? We're going to attend to her now. Hush, baby, hush, hush, hush. So they just need a little top up. They were getting a little cranky because they were a little hungry. They had some breakfast, but they wanted their little milky top up. So as expected, they're now 10 months old. Right, they're 10 months old. So, you know, they have these developmental goals and milestones that they need to reach, and they're doing so well. On top of having their bottles on their own and holding their stuff and standing, there's some other things that they're doing. For example, they are learning how to eat from the family pot. I almost said family plot. Learning to eat from a family plot. That makes no sense. They're learning to eat from the family pot. I remember one day last week, we did spaghetti and meatball. And of course, we gave them some to try. And we're monitoring them as they were doing it. And this is what it looked like. Spaghetti and meatballs. Ravioli. Oh, it's spaghetti and meatballs, Edie.
Oh, where did it go?
Where'd it go?
Yeah, so we're trying to get them to eat more from the family pot. They eat the fruits, yogurt, and they will oblige us sometimes to the, you know, the yam and potato, anything that they are feeling up to trying at the time they'll eat. But they're really doing well. Another important thing, don't tell Tina this, but they learned the first word. Well, to me, let me know what you think from the following clip, but to me, they're clearly saying who they love the most. I mean, they're clearly saying their favorite person in the world. No, sorry, they're clearly saying their first word. Take a look. Dada. 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 Very good. Dada. 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 Come baby, say Dada. Eva, don't flap me. Dada. Eva. Eva. Dada. 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 Yes! Dada. 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 Alright, you said it already. Good. Dada. Dada. Alright. That's enough school for today. Dada. Alright. Give him a wave. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye, Edie. Bye. Very good. No. I know what you're thinking. That they're saying Dada, Dada, yes, but they're not looking at Dada or calling Dada, so it doesn't count. I don't want to hear any of those kind of negativity right now. They said Dada. That's all that's important. And as far as I know, their first word is Da. The first word, baby? Da. Say it again today. Da. Da. Ah. Go again, Edie. Da. Very good. Your turn, Eva said da. See? So if they thought it was a current trick, now they know. In the clothes from today, it said da. Dada, okay. So there you have it. You heard him live and direct a while ago. So on top of this, and those things that I just said before, this is like a showcase, like a talent showcase. Everybody in this house has some musical talent. Either can sing or play instruments or dance or some artistic thing. From Tina to Paul to Hannah to Layla and Zara. So Eden and Ava say, listen, we can do our thing too. Right? And I caught them doing this recently. And I don't know how to play this instrument well. Tina doesn't know how to play the instrument, although I'm not going to go and say that I bought it for her to learn and she didn't learn as yet. I'm not going to say that. And neither does Hannah or Layla and Zara. So it looks as if Eden and Ava has an interest in this instrument and they're going to be the first in the family to be proficient at it. Let me know what they think. Very good, Edie. Very good. You're a guitarist. Your turn, Eva. Play something. Very good. So to round out all the updates on Eden and Ava, there's a very important life skill that they have mastered at such an early stage. I mean, it's extremely impressive, and you can take a look and let me know what you think, but having it done at this level before 1 year old, I mean, you can take notes, everybody. Watch this, watch this. I need to brush up on my skills. Anyway, Eden and Ava, going to show you what you needed to know long time ago. Take it away, Eden and Ava. That's funny. So there you have it from Eden and Ava. We could see, well, it was Eden, I think, important life skill of spinning on your bottom without using your hands. Trust me, they're so entertaining to watch, and it's a joy to see them develop in the way that they do, and they're doing so well. Thank God for them. Yes, baby. But not to be outdone, Layla and Zara have been up to their own learning and development. What do you call it? Terrific 2s and terrific 3s. I'm not going to say terrible, but they are the terrific 2 and terrific 3 stage. Man, so let me give you a story about Layla. Alright, so Layla and Zara are now at that stage where they are pushing limits. To be euphemistic, to put it lightly. They are pushing limits and they are testing boundaries. They are testing the patience of their parents. I don't know how many other euphemistic ways I can say that they are. Some people say they're giving trouble and being rude. For example, we had some lollipops. I bought them some lollipops and I put it on top of the chest of drawers. So I sent them in the room. I said, Layla and Zara are going to the room and sleep. Of course, I'm not going to sleep. I closed the door and I said, go and sleep. No sleeping, bear. Every time I go in the room is frolicking or fighting or playing or something. Half an hour later, I go in the room again and I see that they're sleeping. But when I look on the dresser, I'm seeing that one of the lollipops was opened and left in a little container, and the other one was left beside it, but it was unopened, right? So now I say, okay, they're going to sleep. They took it from where it was on top of the chest of drawer where they had to climb to reach it. And then, I guess they started eating it, and then when they heard me coming in, they decided, let's do this later. Anyway, being the party pooper that I am, I took it up from where they had left it and put it back on top of the chest of drawer. Right? Problem solved, right? Wrong. So when they got up, Layla came out to me in the living room and said, Daddy, where's the lollipop? I said, I go around her. Next thing I know, I'm looking for Layla. I can't find Layla. I see Zara. It's a Dosey Layla. Search, Dosey Layla. I go in the room again, and we'll have a couch in the room, and this is where I see Layla. So just to be clear, I can see her hands, I can see her legs. But what? She under the cushion like this. And she have her hand with a lollipop in her mouth. So I walk up to her and I said, Layla, what are you doing? This is Layla. Nothing. You hear me? Ava look at me and say, nothing. And she just goes back to eating her lollipop and I'm like, why you think you're hiding? I can see every other part of your body except your face. And it's a situation of, in her mind, she can't see me, so I can't see her. I just close the door and come out of the room. I was like, babe, if you ever see what Lila do, I will had a good laugh. But that was her testing the limit, testing the boundaries to see, you know, if something was there out of our reach, but I could reach it. But I have a plan for them today. So I'm going to test their ability to speak Patois. They don't speak Patois very well. They are very intelligent little girls. They will chat it out and ask you why, and give reasons why they shouldn't be going to bed and all these things. But I don't think they're very good at talking Patois. Just like their parents. Tina will tell that she can talk Patois. Me, I sound like a foreigner when I talk Patois sometimes. And so we're going to try to get our children to learn their second language, or is it their first language? Learn how to talk like a Jamaican and sound like a real Jamaican. So they're going to go up head to head in a Patois challenge. Alright, it's now time for the Patois competition between contestants Layla and Zara. Today the prize, the grand prize for the winner is Bounty chocolate, coconut chocolate. You want some of this? Just say you want this?
Yes.
Yes. So Bounty chocolate is for the person who can speak Patois better. All right. It's up to you, the neighborhood, the viewers, to say which person you think won. So type in the comments. Let me know who you think won, and we can see who the winner was. Let's go. So audience, are you ready? Yeah, alright. Contestants, are you ready? In this corner we have Zara Reed. Say hi, Zara. Say hi, neighbors.
Hi, neighbor.
And in this corner we have Layla Reed. Say hi, neighbors.
Hi, neighbors.
Alright. Give me a thumbs up. Alright, thumbs up. Ready to go?
Yes.
Alright, okay. So the competition is you're going to say after me, alright? You're going to repeat what I say as best as you can. Alright, so the first word is, ready? The first word is say forward.
Forward.
Alright, one at a time. Zara, you first. Say forward.
Forward.
Again?
Forward.
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 Okay, Layla, your turn. Say forward.
Forward.
Again?
Forward.
Say forward.
Forward.
Okay. Alright. Judges, you can decide who you think won that one. Next word. The next word is say Irie.
Irie.
No, Layla first. Say Irie.
Irie.
Zara, say Irie.
Irie.
Alright. Judges, it's up to you.
So you don't say Irie. I say Irie.
Alright. Your turn now, Zaza. Your turn to start. Zara, say Wagwan.
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 Wagwan. Wagwan.
Layla, say Wagwan. Say it again. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Very good, very good. Your turn to start. Say no problem, man.
No problem, man. There's a plane.
A plane? Alright, we're not looking at the plane yet. Layla, you first. Say no problem, man.
No problem, man.
Zara, your
no
turn.
problem, man.
Whoa! And it sounds very English, you know, but okay, very good progress. Alright, your turn. Say my youth.
Mind you.
Zara, look, no, say my youth.
Mind you.
Layla, say my youth.
My youth.
Layla. I think you have a better knack for it now, Layla. But we'll soon see the final two words, right?
Yes.
So, Zara, No, Leila, we're starting with you. Say little more.
Little more.
Again, say little more.
Little more.
Ah, Zaza, look up. Say little more.
Little more.
Not little more. Say little more.
Little more.
All right. All right. What? This is the last one, okay? So, Zara, say Medea.
There.
No, say Medea.
Medea.
Ah, Leila, your turn. Say Medea.
Medea.
What? Hold on, this I forgot edit out. Where say all ago, Leila?
Medea.
Oh boy. Alright, say Medea.
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 Oh boy. Alright. I don't know what to say about that one. So I think we're going to just end it right here. Alright, so contestant Zara, do you think you won?
Yes.
Leila, do you think you won?
Yes.
Alright, so what we're going to do in the true spirit of this competition, invite you to shake hands, right? I'm going to give you both a piece of the bounty, alright? Yes. Hope you enjoy this video, neighbors, and hope you have a great week. It's been good, and wishing you all the best. I don't know why these two are laughing behind me, but as usual, on behalf of me, Tina, Hannah, Leila, Zara, Eden, and Ava, big up from me and my house. Say little more. After 3, 1, 2, 3, then say little more. Alright, say little more.
Little more.
Say little more, Zaza.
Little more.
Little more. Boy. Say little more.
Little more.
Little more.
Little more.
Oh, boy. Say in the more.